A portfolio is a collection of your best work samples that showcase your skills, expertise, and experience. It's a way to demonstrate to potential employers or clients what you are capable of and what you have accomplished. Here are some important things to know about creating a portfolio. Determine your goal. Before creating a portfolio, you need to determine your goal. Are you trying to get a job or a new project? Are you looking to showcase your skills or experience? Knowing your goal will help you determine what to include in your portfolio. Choose your work samples. Choose your best work samples that highlight your skills and achievements. You should include a variety of work, such as projects you have completed, case studies, research papers, or any other work that you are proud of. Showcase your skills. Your portfolio should demonstrate your skills and expertise. You can do this by including examples of your design work, programming projects, writing samples, or any other work that demonstrates your abilities. Keep it organized. Your portfolio should be well organized and easy to navigate. You can use categories or sections to group your work samples and provide context for your accomplishments. Use a professional tone. Your portfolio should convey a professional tone and image. Use clean and simple designs, professional language, and avoid using overly casual or informal language. Keep it up to date. Your portfolio should be up to date and reflect your most recent work. Regularly add new work samples and remove old or outdated ones. Use an online platform. You can create an online portfolio using platforms like Behance, Dribbble, or WordPress. These platforms provide templates and tools to help you create a professional-looking portfolio. Creating a portfolio is an essential part of showcasing your work and abilities to potential employers or clients. By following these guidelines, you can create a portfolio that highlights your skills and achievements and helps you stand out from the competition.